Online English School, learning with Teacher Wendy. Verbs. Verbs tell us what a subject is doing. You need a verb to make a complete sentence. Verbs form different functions. Some verbs show the action of the subject. Some verbs link the subject to the word describing the subject. Some verbs work as helping verbs. They help the main verb. Some verbs show the action of the subject. They're called action verbs. Some examples are swim, look, and run. Let's look at a sentence. The dog chews on his bone. Which word shows the action in the sentence? Choose. Choose is the action verb. Let's look at another sentence. The dog eats a treat. Which word shows the action in the sentence? Eats. Eats is the action verb. Some verbs link the subject to the word describing the subject. These verbs are called linking verbs. Let's look at this sentence. The ice cream tasted delicious. Which word links the subject ice cream to the word describing the subject delicious? Tasted. Tasted is the linking verb. Let's look at another sentence. The flowers smelled so sweet. Which word links the subject, flowers, to the word describing the subject, sweet? Smelled. Smelled is the linking verb. Some verbs work as helping verbs. They help the main verb by changing its meaning. They are called helping verbs. Some examples are am, are, is. Helping verbs, or auxiliary verbs, add additional meaning to the main verb of the sentence. Let's look at a sentence. I was walking home. Which word helps or gives additional information to the main verb walking? Was. Was is the helping verb. Let's look at another sentence. They were going to the park. Which word helps the main verb going by giving additional information? Were. Were is the helping verb. Now, let's review what we've learned. Circle the verb in each sentence. List if they are action, linking, or helping verbs. He eats hot dogs and drinks water. Eats and drinks are both verbs showing what someone is doing. So what kind of verb are they? Eats and drinks are both action verbs. Let's try another sentence. The paintings look beautiful on the wall. Paintings is the subject of the sentence, and beautiful is the word describing the subject. Beautiful is the main verb. Look is the linking verb. Let's try another sentence. We will visit 2 museums. The main verb is visit. Which word adds additional meaning to the main verb? Will. Will is the helping verb. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for learning with Teacher Wendy.